Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make orange cheesecake. So let's get started. Here I have taken 10 to 15 Marie biscuits. Grind these biscuits into powder. Add the melted butter and mix well. Then set the first layer. Take 250 grams of paneer. Then add fresh or milk cream. Add 3 teaspoons of sugar and grind till a smooth paste. Then make a second layer. Squeeze 2 oranges and then add it to a heating pan. Then add 3 teaspoons of sugar and let the sugar melt. Add 1 teaspoon of corn flour to little water and then mix it well, and then add to the pan and keep on continuously stirring it till it forms a thick paste. Then add 2 drops of yellow food color. Stir it continuously till a thick shiny layer forms. Then cool down the mixture. Then set the third layer. Freeze for 4 to 5 hours. And there you have it, your yummy, tasty, delicious orange cheesecake. Please check the ingredients and method of preparation in the description box. Thanks for watching. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.